Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the complexities of personal finance? Trust me, you're not alone. In today's video, we're going to simplify the financial landscape and uncover the essential financial lessons you need to learn. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to level up your money game, stay tuned because these lessons can transform your financial life. Imagine having the knowledge and skills to make informed financial decisions, to secure your future, and to live a life of financial freedom. That's the power of understanding these financial lessons. In this video, we'll break down these lessons in a way that's easy to grasp and actionable, ensuring you're well-equipped to navigate your financial path. So, let's dive in. Before we delve into the crucial financial lessons, let's first set the stage by understanding why financial education is so vital. 1. The importance of financial education. Financial education is the cornerstone of financial success, yet it's often overlooked. The reason is simple. Our education system doesn't emphasize personal finance. As a result, many people graduate without understanding the basics of managing money. This financial literacy gap has serious consequences. Without a foundation in financial education, individuals are more likely to accumulate debt, miss opportunities for savings and investments, and endure financial stress. The good news is that anyone can bridge this gap by actively seeking financial knowledge. Financial education empowers you to take control of your financial future. When you understand how money works, you can set clear financial goals and create a roadmap to achieve them. It's like having a GPS for your financial journey, guiding you toward financial security and wealth building. 2. The power of budgeting. Budgeting is often misunderstood as a restrictive practice, but it's actually a liberating tool. Creating a budget is the first step toward financial control. It involves tracking your income, listing your expenses, and categorizing your spending. A budget helps you see where your money is going, identify areas where you can cut expenses, and allocate funds toward your financial goals. One of the most important aspects of budgeting is living within your means. This means not spending more money than you earn. By adhering to this principle, you prevent debt from piling up and create opportunities to save and invest. 3. The magic of compound interest. The concept of compound interest is like a financial superpower that can work for or against you. Understanding compound interest is crucial. It's the idea that your money earns interest, and that interest then earns more interest. Over time, this compounding effect can significantly boost your savings and investments. The earlier you start saving and investing, the more time your money has to compound and grow. To harness the power of compound interest, start as early as possible and invest regularly. Even small contributions made consistently can grow into substantial sums over time. This lesson underscores the importance of beginning your financial journey sooner rather than later. 4. Debt management. Debt can be a double-edged sword, and it's essential to distinguish between good and bad debt. Not all debt is detrimental to your financial health. There's good debt, such as a mortgage, which can help you build wealth through homeownership, and there's bad debt, like high-interest credit card debt, which can quickly erode your finances. Being able to differentiate between these types of debt is crucial for your financial well-being. If you have high-interest debt, such as credit card debt, it's vital to prioritize paying it down as quickly as possible. The interest charges on such debt can accumulate rapidly and become a significant financial burden. Develop a debt repayment plan, explore options like debt consolidation to lower interest rates, and work toward becoming debt-free. 5. Emergency fund. Emergencies and unexpected expenses are a part of life, and that's where the importance of an emergency fund comes in. An emergency fund acts as a financial safety net. It's a savings cushion designed to cover unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or sudden job loss. Experts recommend building an emergency fund that can cover at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Having an emergency fund can prevent you from falling into debt when unexpected costs arise. Without this financial buffer, Individuals often resort to credit cards or loans to cover expenses, which can lead to debt cycles that are challenging to break. Establishing and regularly contributing to an emergency fund is a fundamental step toward financial stability. 6. Retirement planning. Planning for retirement is not an option, it's a necessity. Let's delve into why. Retirement planning is essential because it ensures you'll have the financial resources you need to enjoy your retirement years comfortably. Relying solely on Social Security or other sources of income may not provide the lifestyle you desire in retirement. It's never too early to start planning for retirement to maximize your savings and financial security. One of the most effective ways to save for retirement is by taking advantage of retirement accounts like 401ks or IRAs. These accounts offer tax advantages and can significantly boost your retirement savings. By contributing regularly to your retirement accounts and considering increasing your contributions as your income grows, you're setting yourself up for a financially secure retirement. 7. Investing wisely. Investing is a powerful wealth-building tool, but it's essential to approach it with the right strategies. Diversification is a fundamental principle of investing. It involves spreading your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, to reduce the risk associated with any single investment. Diversifying your investments helps protect your portfolio from market volatility and minimizes the impact of poor-performing assets. Investing requires a long-term perspective. It's tempting to react to short-term market fluctuations, but successful investors understand the value of patience and sticking to their investment strategy. By maintaining a long-term perspective, you allow your investments to grow and recover from market downturns. 8. Avoiding lifestyle inflation. As your income increases, it's easy to fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation. Let's explore why this should be avoided. Lifestyle inflation occurs when you increase your spending as your income rises. While it's natural to want to enjoy the fruits of your labor, excessive lifestyle inflation can hinder your financial goals. To avoid this trap, it's essential to be mindful of your spending habits as your income increases. Instead of succumbing to lifestyle inflation, prioritize saving and investing a portion of any income increase. This approach allows you to maintain a balance between enjoying your present lifestyle and securing your financial future. Setting clear financial goals and adhering to a savings and investment plan can help you resist the temptation of excessive spending. In conclusion, these financial lessons are the foundation of a financially healthy and secure life. Whether you're just beginning your financial journey or looking to refine your financial skills, these lessons will empower you to make informed decisions, set and achieve your goals, and ultimately secure your financial future. If you found this video informative and valuable, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Remember that financial education is an ongoing journey, and the more you learn, the more you can achieve. Don't forget to subscribe to the WealthWizard for more in-depth content on personal finance, investing, and wealth building. Your financial success is our priority, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and we'll see you in the next video.